great news for you. Kindly sit down. Guys, within the next 2 to 3 weeks, ilo-launch na natin ang newest product here in Singapore, ang VitaMax. So sa mga nagtatanong, Doc, ano ba yung VitaMax? Next, VitaMax is one of our breakthrough products supplied to us by DSM. DSM is a billion-euro company a year. Sikat na sikat po ang DSM sa Europe. Bumili tayo ng dalawang ingredients sa kanila, clinically proven, may human clinical studies. Okay, next. Ang laman ng VitaMax, number 1, Resvita, tsaka Fruit Flow. This is good for the heart. Okay ba yung PowerPoint natin? It's good for the heart. Ayan, healthy heart, healthy blood circulation, healthy body. Next. Ano ba yung laman ng VitaMax? Supplied to us by DSM. Sige, next. Ayan. Sige, next slide please. Ang goal ng VitaMax, number 1, lumabnaw yung dugo. Parang aspirin without the side effect. Number 2, naka-V-caps din sa vegetable capsule. Yan yung dalawang ingredients niya, 100 milligrams of Resvita and 150 milligrams of Fruit Flow. Everybody say Resvita. Resvita. Guys, pag ginugel mo yan, Resvita Human Clinical Studies, it will give you around 2 dozen human clinical studies. I'm just gonna name a few. Pag uminom ka ng Resvita within 1 hour, yung arteries mo sa puso nagdadilate by 60 to 90% more. Nakakatulong o hindi? Lalo na yung medyo nagsisikip ang dibdib. Bakit? May pinaghuhugutan. May medyo mga sawi-sawi dyan sa tabi-tabi. Okay? Baka ma-atake ka pa sa puso, mag-VitaMax ka na lang. So, one clinical study, ayan, nagdadilate by 60 to 90% more. The good thing with Fruit Flow naman, ang Fruit Flow may claim, according to the EFSA, parang FDA ng European, may claim siya na nagpapalabnaw ng dugo through platelet enhancement or platelet aggregation enhancement. Next. Usually kasi, sige next para ko. Ayan, usually, as we grow old, yung mga kinakain natin ng mga babad sa mantika, french fries, yung mga matataas sa kolesterol, bumabara yan sa mga arteries sa puso. Pagka numinipis na ngayon, pagka nagsisikip na yung arteries sa puso, ganyan na magiging itsura. Next, ang goal ng Fruit Flow, palabnawin yung dugo para huwag magkaroon ng clog. Next, kasi yung mga inaatake sa puso, ganyan, nagsisikip yung daluyan ng puso, nagkakaroon ng blockage. Everybody say blockage. Yan yung makikita mong aatakihin, stroke either sa puso or yung sa utak nagbara. Mapaparalyze yung katawan. Pag sa puso naman, dire-diretso na yan. Usually, bibihira ang nagsosurvive ng heart attack. Next. Ayan. Yung spiky platelets can clump together forming clots. Yan yung cause ng mga clots sa mga arteries natin sa puso. The good thing with Fruit Flow, nagiging yung spiky platelets, inismooth niya. Pinapadulas niya para magtuloy-tuloy. Kahit medyo nagbabara na, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung daloy ng dugo. Maganda po ba yun? Next. Ayan, next slide please. Sige, next na natin. Provided to us by DSM. Guys, great news, ang DSM may office dito sa Singapore. They have a huge office here in Singapore. Ang sabi sa akin ng DSM, once we launch VitaMax here in Singapore, magkakaroon tayo ng promo. Gusto niyo ba yun? Would you like to hear the promo? Abangan nyo na lang pag launch natin si VitaMax. Within 2 to 3 weeks, we'll be launching it. So are you excited with this? Not only that we have a new product, but we have a new gadget. Next, pakita natin yung CardioPulse. Okay, let's show them yung CardioPulse. CardioPulse is another breakthrough gadget invented in Korea. Okay? Nakapatent sa US, sa Europe, sa Korea. It's like an angiogram-like device. Everybody say angiogram. In the Philippines, ang isang angiogram usually it would cost around $3,000 US. It's invasive. Hihiwain yung arteries mo dito, papasukan ng catheter hanggang sa dulo ng puso, and then mamomonitor sa screen. Sasabihin, Lolo, 3 of your arteries are 50% blocked. Nalaman mo lang na 3 of your arteries are 50% blocked, $3,000 na. After 2 to 3 days, i-discharge ka na. Okay, the good thing with us, we have a similar product which we call CardioPulse. Everybody say CardioPulse. CardioPulse is categorized as Class 2 medical equipment by the US FDA. Next. Ayan yung binanggit ko kanina, nakapatent siya sa Korea, sa US, saka sa Europe. Next. And we are exclusive with this gadget worldwide. Tayo pang exclusive distributor nito. Now, we will launch this kapag nilaunch din natin si VidaMax. You will later know bakit kinakailangan kasabay siya ng VidaMax. Yan yung itsura niya. Makikita mo sa screen, bibigyan ka ng result. It's fast, safe, convenient, non-invasive. It's very, very affordable. Next. Ayan, bibigyan ka ng result. Type 1, type 2, ibig sabihin okay yung arteries mo sa puso. Walang masyadong bara-bara, para ka lang teenager. Type 3 and type 4, medyo nagsisimula na yung bara. 10%, 20%, 30% blockage. Type 5, 6, ayan na. 50%, 60% block. Type 7, yan yung critical. High risk na, para ka ng ticking time bomb. Ibig sabihin, anytime, pwede magbara yung arteries mo sa puso. Kaya, are you learning?